Guitar 101 with Joe Spivey.
Howdy.
Yep. He will teach us all
yes.
a thing or two. My guitar doesn't sound anywhere near as amazing as his, but I just decided that I was going to go through a bunch of old charts and learn to play a bunch of my old songs. So this is one of my favorites that I never do out anymore. I wrote this with Marsha Ramirez a few years ago, and it was on my last CD one at the bottom. So I just like to play it just now. Yeah?
Let's do it.
Let's just do it.
Let's just do it.
Alright. Am I kicking it off?
I think you should count it and everything.
Oh, don't make me count it. Wishing I was in your arms instead. We both know the damage done, but I believe we're not too far gone. And I wonder if your love for me is real, or if it can just be wiped away like rain. Oh, so beautiful, Joe. Something like that.
Thereabouts.